My name is Henry Karlsson. I am the co-founder, president, and CEO of Biorecro. At Biorecro, we remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. We do this with a process called BECCS, bioenergy with carbon capture and storage. As you can see here in the picture, CO2 is absorbed by plants, crops, trees during growth, transported to large industries where the CO2 is released. We capture this CO2, compress it, and then inject it into the subsurface. In November last year, the first full-scale BECCS plant went into operation with 300,000 tons of capacity per year. This is now expanded to 1 million tons in yearly capacity, and we are now looking at sites in North America, South America, and Europe to build more of these production facilities. We address the global carbon markets, and especially the voluntary segment. The voluntary segment had a market value of $576 million last year, and it has grown with 46% on an annual basis during the last 7 years. In a couple of years, we will be able to address the total allowance market, which is $176 billion on an annual basis, and this is also growing very rapidly. We have paying customers, and next week and next month, we will launch these customers. They are corporations buying our voluntary credits. And this also means that we have been featured in major Swedish outlets such as Swedish Television and Svenska Dagbladet, as well as Bloomberg New Energy Finance and The Economist. Biorecro is a finalist in the $25 million Virgin Earth Challenge, founded by Sir Richard Branson and Vice President Al Gore. This competition is now in its final stage, and we are the only Swedish finalist competing with the BECCS technology. We are seeking 3 million euros for expansion of sales and marketing in Sweden and UK and beyond. Thank you very much.
One question. In order to succeed and become a force in the voluntary market, you need to be certified with the established standards in that market. How far have you progressed with that?
Yes, since 2008, we have worked with the Norske Veritas, which are the world leaders for CDM and other types of certification schemes, to develop a totally new scheme, because we saw that the CDM was not a very sustainable, if you know CDM, was not a very sustainable system, and we can now see that was a very successful strategy since CDM has essentially collapsed. So we are actually building a new standard which incorporates the values of negative emissions rather than those, should I say, phony projects that the CDM has been flawed with.
Yeah, but my question was only on the voluntary market.
Yes, on the voluntary.
Because I know that CDM is, the
yes, you have the VCS and you have other. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So essentially, we're building our own system, and that has already been done essentially. And we're supported by main organizations such as the Worldwide Fund for Nature, the Natural Step International, etc.
Okay, thank you.